Hi, I'm Chef Adam with True Aussie Beef and Lamb, and welcome to my kitchen as we're cooking up a delicious Australian grass-fed beef ramen today. First, we're going to start with the noodle pack that you buy from the store, but you can get rid of this salty seasoning pack because we're going to make our own broth. First, we're going to start with a little bit of fresh ginger, as well as some fresh garlic, some carrot, and a little bit of chopped scallion. Now if you can't find this stuff fresh, you can also use dried or dehydrated. And then we're going to use our Australian grass-fed beef. This grass-fed beef is naturally high in zinc and iron, which is perfect for supporting a healthy immune system. A little bit of soy sauce and mirin just adds a nice little base of flavor. And then finish with a little bit of beef broth. I like to use this because it's high in collagen and a lot lower in sodium. And there you have it, super simple and easy. Great recipe for the family to build your own once it's time for mealtime. For more easy recipes like this, visit TrueAussieBeefandLamb.com.